What's up, guys? You already know, we're back to some crazy Alright, you already know when I'm on the camera, I'm in my restroom, you know, something weird finna go down. So anyways, it's 2020 and I told y'all my mukbang video, if you didn't watch it, that I was finna cut my hair. So it's that time. So it's Saturday, I'm gonna cut my hair right now and then I'm getting braids Sunday. So right now I have a ponytail in. So I'm just taking it out. And for the people that be like, Chiiyoma, why are you cutting your hair? You have such pretty hair. Oh, exposed. The reason why I'm cutting my hair is because ever since I got on Accutane, my hair, one of the side effects is, it's thinning hair. So like my hair is not what it used to be. I'm gonna take this off. Like the reason why I kept wearing that ponytail was like a protective hairstyle, but then I guess I was kind of like, it wasn't doing much because I had to keep brushing my hair in the same direction. So like the front kind of like was like, oh my god, like, excited though. I really want to go bald, but since I'm still on the dance team and we still have to do like particular hairstyles, because we're doing cornrows, and with cornrows, like, I'm gonna keep one AirPod in. And with cornrows, you need like hair to grip, so I'm not sad because it's just hair. This shit really finna just grow back. Cause when my hair is at like its best potential, it took me like 2.5 years to like grow, get that. So I'm not even worried. 2.5 years, that shit finna fly by. So I just wet it. I haven't seen my hair curly in a minute. My hair smells like, it smells wet, like a dog. It smells like, because all the gel and shit's in it. No. Wow, one job. How did this shit break? How? My sister has a bottle, so never mind. Hey, it's crazy one. Okay. This, like, some of these curls are like healthy because I've been cut them, but then like others are like damaged. So like, I don't know if I'm gonna post this video. It's kind of like dumb. I don't know. It feels weird. Oh damn, my forehead is a whole different color. It's not even gonna be even. That's the crazy. Let me start like right here. My hair. I don't know. I thought I was gonna be sad. Damn, look at that big ass curl right here that I just chopped off. I thought I was gonna be sad, but nah. Oh damn, it's like that short. Damn, I have like hella tangles back here. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it, I don't care. That was a lot. I don't care. Oh. Wow, I cut that too short. Whatever. That one curl. Snip. I already look bald. Wow. Oh wait. I'm definitely cutting my hair wrong. Fuck it, we just gonna snip. Like literally. I'm like bald. I like how it's still straight. Why does my hair look relaxed? Damn, I definitely cut my hair uneven than a bitch. This is how much hair I cut. Ooh, it smells kind of good. I'm surprised I actually cut my hair. It's definitely uneven, but I'm happy I did it. All right, I'm gonna come back when it's washed. Okay. I just finished. I guess I washed it and then I put some conditioner and I kept going back and cutting. It's definitely uneven, but I mean I don't care, cause I don't care, cause like after like I finish dance season, I get to just chop it off. So really, like the way it's styled right now, if I keep cutting, it's really gonna be a tapered. But yeah, like I really cut my hair. There's still like hella stringy parts and I was like, it's perm. But then again, like my curl pattern in the front is way looser, but still I want to keep cutting, but she has to braid it. Sorry, you know, my friends are gonna be like, this bitch really cut her hair, and like I told y'all. But like ever since I got that little tattoo, my friends been taking everything I say literally. So they're probably like, god damn, this bitch is crazy. I might come to school with my short hair because I'm kind of feeling it, like the tapered, but ooh. So this time around, hopefully this, you know, I take care of my hair better, definitely. Like I learned my lesson, take care of my hair better. You know, healthy journey. I don't know. I really want to dye it. This is really cute. Like the curls. I'm not even sad. Like I feel nothing. Like I feel like a monster. I don't know. I look like, how do I look? Older? Like it's so uneven, but like I don't care. Like I don't care. Because I'm really fun to get finger waves and wave up on y'all. No, I'm just kidding. This is all the hair that I cut. Literally, bro, literally. You can like, look at these. I literally cut off curls. That's crazy. Ew. Like curls. I definitely cut off more than I could chew. Like, that's whatever. It was gonna get cut off anyways. But yeah, this is it. I definitely cut the uneven, but look at the bag. It's so cute. It's curly. But yeah, I'm gonna run some gel through it so I can see how I'm style it. So I'm dead. I look stupid. I look like a kid. I look like a boy. I'm giving you about to go to the royal ball. I'm giving you very mom, soccer mom. This is very rocker-ish. Here I'm giving you like very like kiddish. I don't know about this country, but like yeah, very kiddish. We have curls in the back. We have our edges swoop the doop, and we have our curly-ish bangs. On this side, I'm gonna look on this side. So basically, thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Peace.
What the? That's not real.
It's real.
Chiiyoma, what the fuck?
They're all there for meet and greet, you know. Actually, like.